Hello, this is Sunny. Today's word is a noun, Oppa. Literally, Oppa means an older brother. This casual word is only used by a woman to address a man. Men call their older brother hyeong. Generally, Oppa can be used in 4 different relationships. First, siblings and relatives. Second, close friends. Third, a significant other such as a boyfriend and husband. Fourth, K-pop male idol. As you can see, Oppa is basically used in close relationships, so be careful not to call a random person Oppa, because Oppa implies intimacy. Depending on the situation, it would be very inappropriate. We also should talk about age differences. Oppa is generally used to someone a little bit older than you. Obviously, it would be inappropriate to call someone of your uncle's age Oppa. However, there is no specific rule in determining whether you could call someone Oppa. Interestingly, in Fanbase culture, Oppa can be used in a different way. Some people might call their idol Oppa, even though they are younger than them, to express love and admiration. So there is a saying, Oppa is not just about age, but about status. Today we've talked about Oppa. As you know, the best way to learn a new word is through practice. Let's try to make a simple sentence using Oppa in the comments down below.